Welcome to this tutorial. Here I'm going to teach you how you can make $10 every minute. Per minute you are making $10 just by answering questions. There's something about cryptocurrency which they don't want to tell you. Why? Because they don't want you to know. They'll be the only the ones doing it. Please, before you do this, check if your location is on, because this is only applicable to people in the US. So this my location is off. So let's get down to business. The only thing you just need is your data and your phone and nothing else. So we'll get down to business. You can come to Google and now type Cash Camel. Cash Camel is a cryptocurrency app. So this Cash Camel, and say Cash Camel pay you real cash to take survey. Our thousands of brand partners want to know your thoughts on things like movies, videos, gaming, and investing. Just like that, and you make your cool dollar. Just like that. So let's install that on our phone. The Cash Camel. They don't tell you about this, because if they tell you, you're gonna make money like them. There's nothing here. If it's somebody will tell you, bring this, bring that, let me show you. It's a new update this January 2023. So I'm going to install this on my phone. Wait for the installation to complete. In case if you don't know how to do it, check out all of my videos. And before I go ahead, if you like this, please subscribe. There's more you're going to see here. Because I teach you how to make money just free. Just for free. You're going to make money just for free. With your phone, with your data, and a little time. So Cash Camel has finished installation. Let's open this. We open it. Good. So this is a new survey for you. Welcome. It's in 4 minutes time, so I'll click on that. So welcome to Cash Camel. Answer a few questions to set up your account. Okay, get started. Okay, you know how to do this. Your age. Please make sure the age you enter here should be above 21 or at least 18, depending on your location. So I'll say my age is 25. So I'm good to go. Prefer not to answer. So I'll answer that. Which do you identify best with? Non-Hispanic origin. What is your zip code? Please avoid this. Otherwise there will be a problem. What is your email address? So I'm going to enter my email address here. Yeah. McCall. Okay. 08 0896. Good. Goodness. Okay, create a password. I'm going to create a password. Make sure the password is strong. Make sure that the password is strong. Good. I've done. Say they send that to my email address. So let me check my email address to confirm. I'm going to check my email address to confirm what I've sent. I'll check my email address. But the email address is your phone, then you check your phone. Good. This was sent on my email address. You have joined Cash Camel. So we'll continue. Good. So let's check our profile. Okay. Delete my account, log in, log out. So it's confirmed that I've joined it. Good. So now let's get down to the business now. To make our 20 cents. I tap on that. So it says you're about to earn 20 cents. You're about to earn. So you're about to take a cash camel survey. You are pre-qualified for this survey and we earn 20 cents. So we're looking for your next honest, authentic feedback. So tap on continue survey. So welcome to Cash Camel. Get paid to help read people. Conduct customer research. Are you ready to take this survey? Say yes. So please, you have to read everything to understand it. Then Cash Camel partner with thousands of researchers from businesses, brands, and academic institutions to help you earn money. This research rely on your input to further their work. That's why it is important always to be honest and thoughtful. I say I understand. Why do you think business, brand, academic institutions are willing to pay for your opinion? To launch a new product, to understand their customer, to get, I think I will go for understand their customer and then launch a new product and get feedback. All of the above. Cash Camel allow you to earn money for every survey submission. You only receive payment when you submit your submission. So I understand. So which example response do you think would be good for submission? ASDF. I don't know. Cool. A clear, thoughtful, candid response. It's okay. So I go for I understand here. The best way to get more survey to complete all your current survey with thoughtful response and fill out the demographic information so we'll know what survey they understand. For the longest amount of time you'll be willing to spend on a single survey, I think 5 minutes is okay. Great. One last question. What did you think of this survey? Select or they apply. It's informative, it's simple, it's fun, and it's quick. Go next. Good. I just earned 20 cents, just like that. Just like that. 20 cents for answering just question. So if I do this 10 times, I'm going to get $2. If I do it 100 times, I'm going to get $20. 1,000 times, I get $200. Just like that. So let me claim my dollar. Claim my cent. Say claim it. Good. So you continue doing it one after the other. I'll go to crypto. Okay. I already have a 20 cent there. I do the same thing. Yeah, a lot. Let me say yes here. Okay. I think more risky investing in stock market. The one that will be profitable is cryptocurrency. In 5 years, so significant more. I do. So I make investment decision. My partner, my parents, other family member, financial advisor. Okay, all of the above, man. I got another 20 cents. That is now 40 cents. So let me go ahead and make that $1. Go to music listening. It's just cool and fun, man. How many hours do you listen to music a day? 3 to 4 hours. Go to multiple genres. Pop, rock, ballads, rap, hip hop, and country music. Yeah, R&B. R&B has made me cry, man. R&B made me cry because it's emotional. Emotional. Yeah, just having fun. Making money and having fun at the same time. Yeah, I love selling them. Yeah, Celine Dion is blues, man. So I go to next. Cool. The mood of song do I prefer? Happy love song, uplifting song, comedic, pop-up song, breakup song. Do you like that? No. Informative song should be included. Good. I just earned another 20 cents. That is cool. 60 cents. So let me try it once more to make my money $1. So go to, what do I do now? Choose video games, man. Yeah. Yeah. Adventure. Just making money. Enjoy survey answering question. Just like that. And you're making your money. How do you learn about new video game? I think advertisements, online videos, friends, articles and reviews, social media. Yeah, some often. 1 to 2 hours there. Cool, just got 80 cents. I just remember want to make it $1. Once I make it $1, I'm good to go now. I'll come back later. Cool. Wow. Okay. I choose a survey here. That's just cool. Going for 30 cents now. Oh, what's going on? Wow. Sorry, I do not have a current survey available in area. Why they say that? Okay. Well, for this. Think I'm okay. I'm good to go with my $80. So that's how much I've made so far. And, let's see. That's 80 cents. So when you click here, down this place, then you can now enter your email address that you open a PayPal account with. So you enter the email here. Assuming I want to cash it out now, what I'm going to do, I'll enter the email here, but I'm not cashing out now. I want to make my money before I cash out. You enter the email here, you re-enter the email, then you click on enter dollar to cash out. And from here, you are told that before you can cash out, this money should be $10. So you keep on the survey, keep on repeating it. Once it's $10, you can now cash out. That's how it works. Just make money while you're sitting comfortably on your chair with your phone and data, and you don't need any other thing. This is a good update. Please subscribe to that channel. If you have any problem, use the comment section. I'll answer you within a short period. Click notification bell because much of this will be coming in due time. Thank you, and have a nice day.